Mother's Love by J. Tamilni.
Good morning, everyone. Today I want to talk about something truly special, a mother's love. A mother's love is one of the purest and strongest emotions in the world. From the moment a child is born, a mother's heart is filled with endless care, warmth, and sacrifice. She holds a child's tiny hands and promises to protect, guide, and support them in every step of life. A mother's love is not just about words, it is seen in her actions, her worries, and her sacrifices. A mother's love is unconditional. She loves her child not because of how they look, what they achieve, or how they behave. Even when a child makes mistake, a mother forgives, teaches, encourages them to do better. She wakes up early to prepare meals, stays up late when her child is unwell, and puts her family's need before her own. No matter how difficult life gets, a mother always finds a way to smile for her children and give them strength. A mother is also a child's first teacher and best friend. She teaches important values like kindness, honesty, and respect. She listens to all our stories, no matter how small, and gives us the best advice. A mother's hug can make all worries disappear, and her words can turn sadness into happiness. As we grow, it is important to appreciate and respect our mothers. No matter how old we get, we will always be their little children in their hearts. Let's take a moment today to thank all the mothers for their love, patience, and sacrifices. Their love is the truly most beautiful gift in the world. Over to you.